Hello everyone. Do you see this solar system here? So here, this was created with a single prompt on Claude Code. And what's very interesting is that it's a 3D simulation system that was created with free code. That means I don't need to get a subscription on Claude Code. Today, I can use Claude Code to generate code, create applications, games, build websites, all while connecting Claude Code with GLM-5.2. This is a very well-known, powerful, open source, and free model. In fact, it has been downloaded more than 268,000 times, and the very latest update was just a month ago. So really, it's very recent. And this system uses 756 billion parameters. That's huge, and it's 100% compatible with Claude Code. So quite simply, we're going to take Claude Code and connect it with this LLM, which is free. As a result, we won't have any usage limits. We're going to have a very powerful model that can execute millions and millions of codes without me having to make exorbitant payments for token consumption, as is the case with Anthropic. So what's the idea? This system has been tested with the benchmark. So here we have Cloud 4.8, which is this one, and the result is very, very close. Look at this one, the blue bar and the gray one here with Anthropic, they're very, very close. So really, it's worth trying out this model, which has proven itself and is an ultra powerful model. So I installed Claude Code. I actually connected it with our new model, the GLM-5.2. I'm even providing you with documentation that shows everything I did in this video. Even the prompt, to create the famous solar system, I've made all of that available to you for free. So you can, of course, try it out yourself. So here, even at the level of the Earth, we've actually included the moon and all the information. All of this was done with a simple prompt. I show you everything in this video from A to Z. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I create a new free tutorial every week. So let's get started. Now we're actually going to talk about the models offered by Ollama. So there are models. When you see the word cloud there, it means that the model is actually hosted by Ollama. And that's very interesting. That means I'll be using the power of Ollama's servers to run these models, which is especially useful if I want ultra-fast responses and want to work with a very, very powerful system. Today, there are several models available, and sometimes there are models where I don't see the word cloud. What does that mean? It means that one is free. I can download it onto the machine where we're going to install Ollama and run it there. But there's a difference, and you need to be very careful about it. Here, if I work with a system that simply needs to be downloaded, I will need a very, very powerful server to run it, because we're talking about billions of parameters. And on top of that, if I just want to test Claude Code, if I'm a student, okay, I would actually choose a free model and download it. But if I want a powerful, ultra powerful model, exactly like the one used on Claude Code, then I go for the cloud model. So let me give you an example. Look here, this is 756 billion parameters. That's enormous. And it's a system, as you can see here, that's designed for Claude Code. And if I go look at the experiments that have been done with this model, look here, for example, on this benchmark, the test they've conducted. It has a score of 81. So if I compare Cloud Opus 4.8, it's at 85. So very, very close. So I'll have a model that will run the system very well. Look, these are the statistics. So roughly speaking, if we look at the curve, this model here in blue is a model that has proven itself. Now, another very important point is that today, if I want to run this model, it's actually very interesting to know that Ollama offers you an account that is completely free. With this one, you take the model and download it onto your machine. And as I said, even if you're going to use an external VPS, you need to have a very powerful machine to run the model completely for free. Otherwise, for the models that come with the Pro version, that one gives me the ability to run 3 cloud models at the same time and take advantage of Ollama's server. Now, another very important piece of information, the system actually gives me a huge number of tokens to use for free because I have the subscription. So I pay $20 a month and I use the model. And generally, in fact, the tokens they provide allow me to work very comfortably with Claude Code. I won't need to pay for additional tokens because it's a really well-designed system, and above all, it's extremely fast on the cloud. So what I recommend to you is this. If you are a business, then go for the $20 package. It's still nothing like Claude Code when you get a subscription for $100 or $200, which is always limited. This one is much more powerful and gives me a lot more usage. Or Quite simply, if you want to go all the way with the free trial, then just choose the free subscription here. It's not really a subscription, but simply a free registration with Ollama. Now, if I only had Betul, I would work with this model, and I'll show you right away how I'm going to connect it to Claude Code. So now I will need a Docker server. So what is a Docker server? It's simply the server. Here, we're going to install Ollama and then load the models we want to use onto Ollama. So generally here, Hostinger actually offers us two types of models. For example, here I can choose this model. Since I'm going to use the cloud version, I actually won't need an ultra powerful server. And here you can simply use a discount coupon. Now be careful, for the coupon to work, it's a coupon that was posted on Hostinger's blog for people making their first purchase on Hostinger. So if you already have an account like I do here, you need to log out and sign up with another email address in order to use this coupon. I hope the coupon is still valid. It's Go Docker. We're going to test it. So that's the coupon. Normally, it should actually give me just under 10% off. So there you go, a discount, exactly. Of course, I can also select a 12-month plan to always take advantage of the 10% discount. And now I actually click on Connect. So I think that here, if I choose 24 months, the price is much cheaper, the price per month. And don't forget that here on Hostinger, you actually have 30 days satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. So for 30 days, you can test the server, simply put Claude Code on it and create any applications you want to make sure that it's really much better than the standard Claude Code. And I think, yes, it's worth it. So once you click here on Connect, you'll place your order and you'll be taken directly to this interface. Now I'll show you how I add Cloud Ollama. I come here to compose and I'm going to click on one-click deploy. So here, when you click here, it will give you 1,000 free applications. Note that I can install it on this server. So everything is included. So really all the applications are here, especially the most popular ones. These are Hermes, OpenCloud, N8N. All of these are free, you know? I can install them all at the same time on the server. But for me, what interests me is Ollama. So you come here and type Ollama. Here it is. This is actually the system I'm interested in. You click on select. And well, of course, I needed to log into my account. Then I click on deploy. There you go. We click here. So now what it's going to do, look here, it's deploying Ollama. So Ollama will be added here so that I can connect it first to the model, then launch Claude Code directly here. As you will soon see, this specific configuration is a way to tell Claude Code to exclusively use only the Ollama model when you run it. And above all, the model we've chosen here is a truly ultra powerful one. It's a model from the company ZAI, and it uses 756 billion parameters, so almost 1 million tokens of context. The license is open source, it's free, it's open. And today, it's the best open source model for code, for everything related to coding, for everything related to code creation. So it's pretty much at the same level as Cloud Opus 4.8. So I'm waiting for my server to be ready, and then once it's done, we'll start the installation. Very good. So now Ollama is installed, it's running, and you'll see that we're going to do a little configuration to install Cloud with Ollama and also to install the model we've chosen. You see here, there's the word terminal. So here, I'm going to click here in the terminal of this container and a new page will open. It will actually give me control to type a few lines of code. So here in this terminal, if I look at the course materials, which I've actually put in the description of this video, you'll simply click to copy all this code. And in any case, with this code, we're going to install some dependencies, some important extensions to get the system running. And also, we're actually going to install Cloud, as you can see here. So then we'll check what version of Ollama we have and also make sure we have a good version of Cloud. So I come back here, I'll paste it and press enter. And so now it's installing the necessary components to get the system running. There you go, it's quick, isn't it? In any case, it doesn't take more than a minute to have the whole system installed. Ollama installed along with the installation of Cloud. And after that, we can move on to the second step to configure the exact model we need. So here, it's asking me to select the geographic location. That's basically for the time and everything. So here, I'll just choose Europe. So I'll enter 8 and press enter. And now it's asking me to simply choose the city. So we'll just put Berlin. Here I'll enter 18, but you can put, the location that interests you for the time zone. So after that, it's up to you to actually select your city. And now everything is done. Everything is finished as it should be. Ollama is here. And we also have the extensions ready. It's installing Cloud 2.1.220. So here we've completed the installations properly. Now we're going to do the authentication. Here actually is the system. So we're going to copy this. The system will simply recognize our account on Ollama. So here I'm going to enter this Ollama command to connect. And you'll see that here it simply opens for me. It gives me a URL. So we actually need to click on this URL in order to connect with Ollama. So as a result, the system will simply access our account. So when I click here, you'll see that I have a little button to connect. I click on connect and there you go. So the connection has just been made. And now I can say that the system is now connected with Ollama. So now I actually want to test and see if the system works or not. Look here. I'm actually going to enter this command here. I'm going to say Ollama run. It's actually going to run this model in cloud mode. And I tell it to just reply with OK. So if it replies OK, that means it's working perfectly and that it can actually call this model. Indeed, I have confirmation that my model is working 10 out of 10. Now we're going to launch it inside Cloud. And here, we're actually going to launch Cloud. You can see here, it's Ollama that's going to launch it. We're obviously going to create a folder because later on folders are very important. That way I can stay organized for everything I'm going to develop. I can put it in this folder and then I press enter. So here, as you can see, it actually opens this first interface for me. So here I choose whether I want it in dark mode or light mode. This is really just in the settings, So here is just about the colors you prefer. All right, let's stick with this mode. And now I press continue to enter, so I click on continue. Here it's asking me if I trust this folder, so I say yes. There you go, because we're going to develop everything inside it. And now I'm ready. So be careful, I'm going to type /status first. This is so I can check the status a bit and see how the system actually works. So watch closely. Here it's working with the GLM-5.2 Cloud version model. So now I can actually ask any questions I want and do all the work I need to do with the code. But behind the scenes, it's actually GLM-5.2 that's running without limits. And that's actually the goal of our video. So now we're going to try a few prompts to see how this model works. Let's get started. So we're going to do a test. Here, I'm going to ask it to create an interactive 3D solar system simulation for me. So really, we're going to ask it to create this HTML file with some features, some artistic directions, and then a conclusion. So now we're going to copy it and go right here to simply run our command, and I'll press enter. So now, of course, it will switch to reasoning mode and then prepare the files, and it will start programming and development. So I didn't ask it any questions. It needs to go all the way to actually give me the result. So now we'll leave it for a few minutes to let this system we're trying to create run. We'll look at the result together. All right, so now it's actually finished creating. 1 minute and 36 seconds. That's really very interesting. It's fast. It created the file. So now I'm just going to run these two commands. For the very first command, we are going to run it directly on the main terminal window, which is this one right here. So doing this will simply allow me to successfully retrieve all of our necessary files. So now that we have successfully finished copying all of these files, just take a look right here, as I am simply opening up a new local terminal window on my own computer, just so we can look at the code together in detail. I can simply take a moment to copy this specific command from the documentation and then just run it in our terminal. So now, as you can see, it has just successfully created the necessary resources. Let's go ahead and say yes here to officially allow the connection to proceed as expected. So now I'll enter the password for my root account. Here on the VPS, when I install it, when I create the VPS on Hostinger. Hostinger actually gives me, as you'll see here, a code, so a password. If you want, of course, you can change your password at any time. Here, the reset option if you want to change it. Well, I already have it. So now I'll enter my password and press enter. When you paste it, actually, it won't be displayed. It will always remain hidden, so it won't be shown. And there you go. So now I'm actually opening the file. So I'm showing you the file is already on my computer. Here it is. And it's really impressive how I can see the solar system right here in front of me, how it moves. So here I can increase the speed. Look here down at the bottom. So I can increase the speed, there you go, to see it quickly at 10 times speed. Then here we'll let it run at 5 times speed. So this is really, really interesting. Look here, even the moon is included, and we have a perfect 3D system. I think this is very beautiful. I'm thinking of showing it to my 5-year-old daughter. Maybe she imagines space differently, but with this illustration it's very beautiful. So what I actually want to say about this test is that it's a simple test we set up. Look here at the source code of this file. So all of this was generated in a minute or a minute and a half. It's impressive what we can do today with artificial intelligence and coding. Look here, it's impressive. It's impressive the quality of work that was done. So today, it's very important to understand that everything can be coded, everything can be programmed. Here on a hosting server, you can install Ollama and then add cloud inside it, launch it, and create without limits. I hope this video is actually clear. You can actually watch it again. Don't hesitate to write to me in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any technical things you'd like to share with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive future tutorials. Thank you very much and see you soon.